coffee cup. Just come out to do a quick video this morning. Check on my seeds that I did that's hanging up. I'm gonna show you something right here, all right? I put one seed close to the edge. This is in 3 days. You see that sprout running down? Now, being that this is getting sunlight on the side, I don't know what it's gonna do, but I put this seed purposely here just so I could make sure the seeds I saved germinated. And it did. Now what I did is I took my seeds, I washed them in a strainer real good last year out of my tomatoes. This is a tomato seed. This is a hillbilly potato leaf. And what I did was dried them on a paper towel after I washed them really good through a strainer and washed all that sludge stuff that's, you know, in a tomato on the seeds, that slimy stuff all off of the seeds. And then I spread them out on a paper towel, and when they dried on that paper towel, they stuck to that paper towel. I folded it all up, put it in a Ziploc bag in the freezer. That was it. Just gonna give y'all a little update on what that was this morning. Southern Mud Pottery Coffee Cup, that's us. Check it out. Instagram, Facebook too. See y'all. Remember, there ain't but one right way to do things, and that's the way you wanna do it.